Okay, one of the other new products we'd like to introduce to you guys today that we're debuting for 2020 is going to be our golden JS1500 rotating jet ski lift. This lift has the ability to rotate a full 180 degrees to bring your personal watercraft from over the water back over onto the dock. On the version that we're introducing to the market this year, our PWC lift is going to come standard with what you see here in front of me today. Well, it comes standard with aluminum bunks. It's going to come standard with a direct drive, a stainless steel motor. It's going to come standard with the grooved aluminum winder, stainless steel cable. We've also been innovative and introduced a couple other just little nuances to the lift to make it stand out and be a little bit different. We've integrated an LED light system that's completely optional. So for the people that are, the LEDs that are trending out there and the people that are into that, is something cool, just an added little feature to have. This personal watercraft lift is available in 3 different mount configurations. So we have the ability to take this lift and mount it to a single piling. We have the ability to take this lift and mount it to a dock and also to a seawall or bulkhead. So this lift is not limited by the different applications that are out there. It's retrofittable to all of them. This is going to be one of the more popular lifts going out the door this year for your personal watercraft lifts. Again, to get standard aluminum bunks, a stainless steel motor, a direct drive, solid winders with stainless steel cables, you're just not going to find that in the other lifts that you're shopping out there on the market today. And that's, again, something that separates us from the rest of the manufacturers out there. We offer a lot of these upgrades standard on our boat lifts. This is one of the cool new features for 2020. Please feel free to give us a call and check it out.